What's going on, guys? So, guys, whatever, guys, girls. So today, this morning, I've been up since 6 o'clock in the morning. One of my clients has requested me to go get some sunrise shots, actually of a location which is close to where I actually live. And obviously, while I'm here, it's now like, I don't know, 10 o'clock on the dot. So I left my house at 6 o'clock this morning, got the sunrise shot. Here's the sunrise shot. Obviously we've been doing a couple of different locations in my local area for a property company, and basically what I decided to do is I've come down to the seafront, and basically what I thought I'd do is just put the drone up, because I've worked out that there's actually a gap. So there's an airport near where I live, and basically there's a gap. I didn't even notice until I got here. I was just sitting here having a coffee, and I was like, oh, you can fly it. Like, there's a little gap, so there's like a quite big gap between the airport and the no-fly zone. So basically, yeah, so here's the drone shot. It's pretty cool. Thought while I was here, I'll do another video for the 20mm lens. Basically, I haven't got a microphone today, so it might sound a bit crap, because obviously I just bought my little snap bag. That's what we call my snap bag. So it's just my little, I can't get it out. It's caught around the bloody skin. Right, so this is my little snap bag. I'll put a link in the description below. I actually love it. It's a bit like a Peak design, but a hell of a lot cheaper. It's got loads of pockets and stuff. Yeah, it's cool if you just want a little bag just to carry around. So I thought I'll just do a little like piece of camera using the 20mm. I'm literally at arm's length, and it looks fantastic. I actually really like this lens, so I thought, yeah, while I'm here, I'll get a couple of drone shots and maybe get a couple of shots and make a little video. Why not? Yeah, so I'm hoping this sounds alright. I'm gonna be so pissed if I get home and this video sounds like shit. But yeah, this 20mm is brilliant. Like, if I have my little extension arm, it could probably be out here. It's fantastic. But yeah, look, this is like sort of where I live. This is the seaside part. It's a very small seaside town. It's a very popular other seaside town just down the road 10 minutes, which is very chavvy and loud. This is the cool part. A lot of my videos I shoot here. You probably see like my Blackmagic and my EOS M videos. But yeah, I'm hoping this A7Cii is going to do alright. Hoping. Please, please, please. But yeah, a little bit different today. So I just thought I'd bring you out, shoot some little bits of seaside photography on a 20mm. I might even crop it in actually and use the crop sensor. Still get 14 megapixels off the A7Cii. So maybe do a couple 14 megapixels, 30mm lens sort of shots using this. I'm hoping it sounds alright. Yeah, let's go. Let's get some pictures. So this is one of my favourite locations. Like where I am now is actually, I don't even know why I always shoot here. If you watch my videos, you probably see that I shoot here quite a lot. Just think I really like the open space and these old type looking buildings here. But yeah, that's cool. And I'm gonna put a picture up as well of this place. It's got, I think it sells like metal and stuff, so it's got loads of chains and stuff for like the boats. But I really like that place too. It's cool. Just switched to my iPhone because I thought it would be a bit easier. I've actually got my Osmo in my pocket, but I really can't bother to get it out today. But yeah, I love this little setup. Like, I think it's fantastic. I'm not trying to sell these lenses or anything like that. I'll just give my honest opinion that this setup is mad. Like, it's so light and so small. Like, coming from a Canon user, having an R6 with a big L series lens, so having this is so like unbelievable. So, but yeah, I'm using this for professional work as well. I know some people say you should use an A7 IV or A7 R5, but I just like the size, and obviously I do a lot of video work, so this rigged up looks fantastic. So yeah.